Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP Officejet Pro 6960, and I'm going to show you how to enable the Wi-Fi Direct on this printer. Just need to open the control panel and open settings. Then scroll down and find Wi-Fi Direct and enable it. Click yes, and wait a while. And great, cool. So now if you have the Android device that supports Wi-Fi Direct technology, you don't need to know the password for the Wi-Fi Direct. But if you have the iPhone, so you need to open the control panel, then scroll down, click Direct, and here you will see your Wi-Fi Direct password. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.